It's your girl Fiona, and for today's video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-extend ng yung student visa step by step.
So first, pupunta tayo sa canada.ca. Then choose English. Sign into an account. Visa, work permit, study permit, express. So, dito meron kayong dalawang option. Yung first is yung GC key and yung pangalawa is yung magsa-sign in kayo sa partner na banks ng Canada. So, ito yung mga different banks nila and pwede kayong mag-sign in using your account dun sa mga bangko na yun. Pero for now, magfo-focus tayo sa option 1 which is yung GC key. So, we have to create and sign up sa gilid. And then accept.
And next is gagawa tayo ng username. So, make sure lang na matatandaan nyo to anytime. And continue. Then, gawa na kayo ng password. And basahin nyo yung nasa taas. Dapat between 8 to 16 characters siya. May upper letter and lowercase and 1 digit. And ito naman yung recovery questions. Ito yung questions kapag nakalimutan nyo yung passwords nyo. So, pwede nyong isulat tong mga questions and answer na to sa isang paper na kaya nyong ma-access anytime. Or pwede nyo siyang screenshot and save nyo somewhere. So, mag-isip lang ko ng any questions and answers.
Okay, continue. Accept. And now, mag-create na tayo ng account. So, ilagay nyo lang yung name nyo. And yung email address, make sure na na-access nyo to every time kasi dito mag-email yung Canada every time na may update sa file nyo or sa application nyo. And select language, English. Okay, so kung napansin nyo, ito na yung padalawang set ng questions na ginawa natin. Yung una is yung recovery question, which is yung mga questions na ginawa nyo na kailangan yung sagutan kapag nakalimutan nyo yung password nyo dun sa profile nyo. But this one is called security questions na kailangan yung sagutan every time na magsa-sign in naman kayo sa profile nyo. So, gawa lang kayo ng questions na madaling tandaan and hit continue. Ito na yung file nyo. So, sa taas, ayun yung mga submitted application and yung nasa baba is yung mga pending pa, yung hindi nyo pa natatapos. Okay, apply to come to Canada. Okay, so since wala pa tayong personal reference code, doon tayo sa baba, which is visitor visa, study, and work permit. And now, kailangan nating sagutan yung mga questions na to para malaman na eligible tayo sa pag-extend ng visa. So, first is, what would you like to do in Canada? Siyempre, study. How long are we planning to stay? Dapat temporarily in more than 6 months. And then, find our code, PHL for Philippines. And our country of residence, if dito kayo sa Canada nag-extend inside Canada, then put Canada. But if in the Philippines, just put Philippines. So if my family member kayo na Canadian, just put yes. But for my case, no. And your date of birth. And then hit next for more questions. So since di naman tayo US citizen, no. What is your immigration status? We are a student. Next. Next, marital status, if you're married, if you're in common law, or single. What is your province? For me, I'm in Ontario. And then next. So, based sa mga answers and information na provide natin, ito yung mga result na pwede natin i-apply sa Canada. So, we are able to extend our student visa. Hit continue. And then, continue. Another set of questions. Are you accompanying a family member? For me, no. But if you are, just put yes. And then next, do you also want to apply for a work permit? If may co-op kayo sa program nyo, put yes. So, kailangan tignan nyo yung program nyo. But for my case, I don't have a co-op. I will put no. Next. Next is kung kailan may expire yung status nyo dito. So, ito yung student permit na hawak nyo ngayon. For example, ma-expire na yung student permit ko on May 1, 2021. Next. So, kapag nakapagpa-medical kayo sa Pinas within the last 12 months, just put yes. But in my case, I've been here more than a year, so no. Okay, next. Have you lived in a designated country or territory? So, kung hindi kayo sure sa mga questions, you can go ahead and click yung question mark sa gilid sa taas para makita nyo yung explanation dun sa question. So, for this, ang tanong is designated country in the last 6 months. And ito yung list nila. Ilalagay ko yung link sa baba para makita nyo siya kaagad para tuloy-tuloy yung process nyo. But since nasa Canada ko in the last 6 months, hindi siya kasama sa designated country, so no. And next. Do you want to submit an application for a family member? For me, no. Pero kung may kasama kayong spouse or children, just put yes. Again, you can click dun sa question mark para makita nyo yung meaning ng question. Okay, next. Are you giving someone access to your application? So, no kasi ikaw yung nag-apply for yourself. In the past 10 years, have you given your fingerprints and photo or biometrics for an application? So, yes, for me. But if not, just put no. Next. So, there are fees associated with this application. Will you be paying your fees? Of course, yes, we will be paying. And then next. Are you able to make a digital copy of your documents? Yes. So, kailangan may scanner kayo or camera. Will you be paying your application fees online? So this one should be yes. Credit card or debit. And next. Now, we will review our answers from the first question up to the last para sure na wala tayong namimiss or anything. And then, once okay na ang lahat, just click continue. Now, let's go sa steps. Of course, first step is to use your own account. The second one is to save your application. So, kung hindi nyo natapos yung application or kung hindi nyo submit yung mga documents in one go, you can go back and forth sa profile nyo. And you have 60 days to submit all the relevant documents and your application. And for your documents, ito yung mga format na kailangan. Hit continue. And now, ito yung document checklist. And dito nakalist lahat ng documents na kailangan nyo i-upload based sa mga answers na nilagay nyo kanina. Again, if hindi kayo sure sa mga i-upload nyo the documents, you can click the question mark. And ayan yung list ng mga pwede nyong i-provide sa section na yon. So, for example, sa passport nyo, kailangan yung page that shows your birth of date and the country of origin and any pages with stamps. Yan yung kailangan nila. So, ayan yung i-upload nyo. Ayan yung i-scan nyo. Now, for your LOA or your letter of acceptance, ito na yung bagong LOA nyo from your new school and your new program. Naka-indicate naman doon yung expected graduation date nyo, yung length of your studies, and yung tuition fee nyo. So, doon nila i-base yung student permit na i-release sa'yo. And if you're a returning student naman, you can request for a letter of enrollment or letter of registration. Now, for your proof of means of financial support, ito yung mga documents na pwede nyong ipasa. But for me, nung nag-extend ako ng visa, yung pinasa ko lang is yung payment ko ng first semester for the new program and also yung bank certificate ko na nakasummarize yung laman niya. And yung advice lang sa akin before is at least $3,000 na laman sa bank plus yung payment ng first semester. So, again, it depends on your case. For your photo, Ito yung mga requirements. So, pwede kayong mag-picture ng sarili nyo. Tingnan nyo lang yung mga requirements. Or, pwede kayong pumunta sa stores na nag-offer ng ganong services and sabihin nyo lang for visa. And alam na nila yon. So, next, ito yung mga optional documents na pwede nyo pang ipasa kapag may mga kailangan kayong i-explain. But for me, hindi na ako nagpasa ng mga optional documents para straightforward and malinis lang yung application ko. And the most important document is this IMM 5709. So, ito yung last document na sinagutan ko para fresh siya pag in-upload ko. And mag-upload ako ng different tutorial video kung paano sagutan yung form na to. But for now, i-download muna natin siya. I will upload a different tutorial video kung paano sagutan yung form na yon. So, if na-upload na natin lahat ng documents, we can scroll down and see the price. It's $150 for this application and merong submit button dito sa right side. But since wala pang naka-upload, dun tayo sa exit questionnaire. So, ito yung magiging itsura ng document natin kapag din-download natin siya. Kailangan natin ng Adobe Reader kasi it's a secure document. So, go ahead and download that first para masagutan na natin yung form.
So yeah, that's it for me. I hope that it helps and watch out for my next video. Bye!